What
thing
if
is,
someone maxes that out at their job, right? Like, and that happens, you can only, put in so much. Is
right.
that advisable to go through a company like yours and or, someone like yourself to be able to open another account and do it another one?
Yeah, so most people qualify, depending on their income, for an additional account, say a Roth IRA. So even though you have a 401k at your work, and the company might even be matching it. So what I tell everybody is that put in your 401k up to the match. So if you got to put in 6% to get 3%, well, that's free money. And they usually give you 50% of what you put in, right?
Right.
So I don't have any investment that pays 50% on the money. So you do
Right.
that first, okay? And then what we can do is alternatively is to open up, let's say, a Roth IRA where the money goes in already taxed, and that money can grow. We can put that into a portfolio, and then you can have that in addition.